Hello, welcome back. Recent viral footage shared on X, formerly Twitter, and the New York Post has ignited global interest, showing what appears to be China's new sixth-generation tailless stealth fighter jet. In the video, the futuristic aircraft soars through the skies, accompanied closely by what appears to be a J-20S fighter jet, also known as the Mighty Dragon, also a China-developed fighter jet. Now, why the exact location and the videographer remains unknown, experts note the imagery aligns with intelligence reports suggesting China's ongoing development, such as this type of advanced stealth technology. Now, what makes this jet special or interesting, nicknamed the Body White Emperor, this next generation of fighter jet was first introduced during a Baiju air show before making its social media debut. The jet was seen flying with its landing gear open, a standard practice apparently during testing phases. Now, while tailless aircraft like the US B-2 bomber already exists, this model is a leap forward as what's called sixth-generation fighters, something the US has yet to reveal in its design categories. It operates with a cutting-edge artificial intelligence. Now, from what I can gather, this AI enables the aircraft to process real-time data, assess threats, and perform maneuvers without pilot input. It can also execute semi-autonomous or fully autonomous missions, similar to what the U.S. Air Force X-62 Vista demonstrates currently. And I should also mention, from everything that I could collect, the jet's AI-driven situational awareness provides pilots with instant intelligence while autonomously coordinating with other units. This is a clear signal that China is pushing the boundaries of autonomous aviation. Now, from a broader perspective, this isn't the first time I've talked about strange or cutting-edge aircraft on my channel. In some of my previous videos, I've highlighted reports on, again, mysterious drones spotted over New Jersey, New York, Connecticut, and other states as well. Now, let's be clear, I'm not suggesting that the Chinese stealth jet is flying around in our airspace. What I am saying is that there's all kinds of aircraft out there that many of us may not be familiar with. Now, the skies are busier than ever, and you shouldn't be surprised if you look up and see something that you can't immediately identify. So stay informed with apps like Flight Radar 24. If you're curious about what is flying overhead, a good first step is always downloading that app first. Again, Flight Radar 24. This app lets you track legal aircraft in real time, helping you identify commercial and private planes. And just a quick reminder, if you spot something that's not showing up on Flight Radar 24 or some other app, it's a good reminder that not all aircraft are publicly documented, adding, again, a bit of mystery to what's in the skies. For example, you're not going to see Air Force One with the president on board going by in real time. It's not going to be there for obviously security reasons. So that being said, as other nations continue to push the boundaries of aviation, both for military and civilian purposes, it's a fascinating time to keep our eyes on the horizon. Whether it's a stealth fighter, a drone, or something else entirely different, the sky is going to be full of surprises and, again, things that we may or may not recognize. So do me a favor, if you've learned anything new today, give this video a like, or even think about subscribing. A lot of you are not subscribed. That's it for this one. Hope you learned something. See you in the next one. Take care.